am going to show you around Willow Reform. Check it out.
Along here. There we go.
So legs are nice and straight.
Rails.
Rails, rails. Enjoyed it.
I've had a fantastic day. I've loved every minute. Thank you.
You were
very
brilliant.
much.
It's the first time on the Reformer, isn't it?
It is. I'm going to feel it tomorrow. My legs are aching already.
You are.
But it's been brilliant.
Well done.
Thank you very much.
Amanda, have you had a good day?
Amazing, thank you.
Now, this is your third Reformer course.
Yes, it is.
Isn't it?
Yes.
You live
I'm
Reformer.
loving it. Absolutely. Yes.
Brilliant. Zoe, have you had a good day?
Amazing day. It's been brilliant. I've really enjoyed it, and I'm really excited to get started.
Oh, yeah. Brilliant. So another great course at Willow. That was beautiful. Bank holiday weekend. Lovely ladies. Now I've got to get some food. I'm starving. This is going to revolutionise vlogging. This will be the last vlog on Lauren's iPhone. No, Lauren's Google phone. No, Lauren's Samsung phone. Yeah. We are now going up market, so it's only taken us nearly 5 months. This is what all the top vloggers use, allegedly, but again, this could go back into the graveyard of cameras because we already have a wide selection of cameras.
We're hopeful with this one though.
Oh God, in case it's broken. I'm looking at these out. So, this is the content creation version of the Osmo 4. So I was going to get the 3, it's cheaper, but I got the... Well, if you're going to buy one, let's go all the way.
Right, it's smart.
It's smart. So that's easy to take around then, isn't it? There it is. 2 hours later. So, well this, you know, I am one of those people that never reads instructions though, and then breaks it all on the first go. Okay. Need some choreography videos. I can do it with my music on this. Very soon, yeah.
What music are you using
I'm
today?
using New Pure Energy.
Yeah?
This is Zach Wild, No Limits. It's awesome. I'm just going to do some aerobics to this. Just reels. So like 30 seconds. Because I've got a retro aerobics event next week. So I need to get the reels going with aerobics. Lauren's holding a phone horizontal. Okay. 5, 6, 7, and... Or further
If I do it from like higher, further like that, I think
Yeah. This Pilates Reformer certification in London. Free education and training is the qualification for you. This is the last vlog that you'll get with the iPhones. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and then next week it'll all be upgraded with the new DJI Pocket Osmo. So let's see, this is going to be the end of all our vlogging nightmares. Multiple cameras, multiple phones, no more. One phone for phone activities and a specialist vlogging camera for vlogs. See how it goes.